got some meal prepped food, and I'm gonna do a little experiment. This is shredded taco chicken, and this is ground beef with garlic and onions. And I'm gonna make two different little taquitos. I'm gonna make a chicken taco taquito, and then a cheeseburgery taquito, and we're gonna taste test them. And I'm excited. So, when you are filling your taquito, try not to stuff it too much because I know you want to fill it up really big. I always want to stuff my taquitos a lot, but just keep it very basic. Otherwise, it gets too big and it doesn't really get the true effect you want. So just roll it up like a little blunt. We got the chicken one. I forgot to put cheese on the chicken one, but I have cheese for the cheeseburger one. And I shred my cheese myself. It's so much cheaper to get cheese blocks, you guys. Like, for so many years, I always got shredded cheese, and I will never, ever, ever go back. This one's going to be big. I don't think this one's going to be skinny. I feel like this one's going to be big. Fuck. I'm not even listening to my own advice. This is going to be a big one. Got it falling out. Okay. Oh my god! Okay, this is the cheeseburger taquito, which is a failing on me. Let's restuff it. Okay. Now we are going to fry it up. Oh, this one is not doing good. We're going to fry it up into a pan. Little saucy pan. We are using a Bertolli olive oil. I do like avocado oil. I like canola oil. My mom kind of does the grapefruit and stuff, but it's always a fight on the internet on which oil is best, but I think olive oil tastes the best for the most part. We're gonna heat this up and get it started. Cheeseburger chicken. I did this in the slow cooker, which turned out amazing, and I did that on the pan. Heating it up, gonna fry it up. Okay, we got my taquitos. This is some Thousand Island, and this is some guac salsa verde. I'm very excited. Just got these off the griddle, so I'm sure they're very, very hot, but I'm impatient. It's more like a flauta, I guess. I make it so big, but it's delicious. I knew this was gonna be good. Solid 9 out of 10. Easy squeezy, lemon squeezy. You really don't even need that much oil. I probably could have used less oil. Here's the cheeseburger one. Thousand Island. Wow, I love that one. That's the one. That's like cheeseburger, cheesy goodness. Oh my gosh. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. 10 out of 10.